Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a day in my life kind of video. Sorry, I'm like awful at holding this. There we go. This morning I woke up way too early, at 6 o'clock because I had to go to running. It was a workout day and it was not fun because it's so hot and humid outside, but I got home like an hour ago and I just made some breakfast. I made some eggs with a little bit of spinach. Also have my iced coffee. But yeah, I don't really know exactly what I'm doing today. Hopefully it'll be interesting. Okay, I was sitting in my living room, just playing my ukulele, minding my own business. Sat down at the piano and this huge bug just flew out from underneath. I don't know what it was. I wasn't feeling it, so I came up here to my room. And now I'm just gonna play my ukulele. Also, I have a fan on in my room because it's so hot up here. We have the air on, but it's still really hot, so sorry for the background noise. Laughing and running, hey, hey, skipping and jumping. Misty morning fog, hearts are thumping and you. Okay, so I've been just lying around doing nothing for a very long time, and I think I'm gonna do something with my friends this afternoon, so I need to start getting ready. Okay, I'm back. Just got out of the shower, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I did take a little break to eat some food though, because I definitely did not eat enough for breakfast. Now it's time for my favorite part of the day, getting ready. I actually am kind of in a rush. My friend is picking me up in 15 minutes and I still have to do my hair, makeup, and walk my dog, so that's fun. So I can finally take my hair out of these braids. Oh yeah, my hair is super wavy. Oh, by the way, I should probably tell you what I'm doing today. So I'm going to TJ Maxx with my friend because, I don't know, just wanted to. And then later, with a bunch of my friends, I'm going to this, they have shaved ice kind of stuff, like snow cones. There, probably riding our bikes. Okay, so we're just going no makeup today because I just do not have a lot of time. So, see you guys later. Okay guys, so sorry for the weird lighting, and also sorry that I didn't really get many clips from this afternoon. I got a few at TJ Maxx, but I just kind of forgot. Honestly, I'm not really used to vlogging, but I didn't get anything at TJ Maxx. Nothing was really calling my name, and I'm really only trying to buy things that I just absolutely love. So yeah, we're just gonna clean up my room now, hopefully get some good montages in there. Alright guys, so haven't talked to you for a while. I think the last thing I showed you was me doing my laundry. But I went to my little assessment thingy for the choir that I'm in, and that went well. And then, I don't know, just hung out with my family. We watched The Office and had dinner, and that brings this day in my life to a close. So I really hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!